Now, there are more reactions to Oblique Seville's victory in the 100 meters at the World Athletics Championships. The Seville family shared their thoughts on the new king of sprinting. He was born to run. That's the sentiments of Oblique Seville's mother, Juliet Seville. According to her, while she was walking to church during her time of pregnancy with Oblique, he was running and has been running ever since.
I know Oblique would deliver. And before Oblique even born, Oblique run up and down in my belly. Growing up as a child, going to Sunday school, it was a journey for us to go to its church. And Oblique run straight from the district straight to church.
Mother Seville didn't talk directly to her son the day before the race, but instead sent him a message.
I voice note him with a prayer and text him and say, no worry, just put God on the job, hold the faith, and you will come and him God will come through for you. Just keep on praying, trust God, because I him are your deliverer, him will see you through.
But before going to the stadium, Oblique spoke with his brothers, Imran and Siddiqui.
I remember Sunday morning they called me. I would talk for about 45 minutes. And the first thing came out of his mouth was, "You afraid?" I said, "No, man." I said, "No worry yourself." He said, "No worry yourself. We have this covered."
On that day, Imran was preparing to minister at his church. The topic, "Your storm is passing over."
I said to him that he mash up message because, you know, the nerves and everything. After the race, he called me and he said, "You can't go preach now. You're supposed to preach a good sermon today."
Imran was also one of the decision makers to have Oblique moved from Homewood Technical to Calabar and then to go professional, even with a year to go at the Red Hills Road-based school.
When we look at it and we assess the whole thing, we said he don't really have anything to achieve. Because not to achieve, you don't have much to even prove right now because winning the blue ribbon, that's everybody's dream as a 100-meter runner. And so we said it's best we make him move on, go forward. And one of the things that we were scared of is that injury. Because we know how the schools, how they go about to get points and those things.
There's also Carl Russell, a cousin of Oblique. She was the first member of the family to perform on the big stage. She was a member of the 2013 Moscow World Championship sprint relay team that mined gold.
But then for me now to see him surpassing and doing greater things than what I did, it's good to know that he used to look at me as, "Hey, Carrie, I do this really like you," and now to see him doing greater things and bigger things, and it is something I tell you that it's a great feeling.
Russell doesn't see Oblique's victory as a one-off and believes he has what it takes to keep going forward.
If you Google humble, you see Oblique come out, right? He's one of the most humble individuals I know, and it's within the family. You understand? His sibling, his brother, his sister, his mom, they're very humble. They are very humble people. So nothing. I don't think fame is going to affect him any at all.
Oblique will now turn his attention to the sprint relay, which starts on Saturday.